How to add a rectangle shape in Google Docs. So to start, we'll just have to open a sample Google document, and then in here, how do we add a rectangle shape? To do that, we'll just have to go on top, and then in here, tap on this insert option. After that, tap on this drawing option, and then in here, tap on this new option. After that, we'll just have to go to the shape icon, and then in here, tap on the shapes option. After that, you will now see here different shapes. So in here, we'll just have to tap on this rectangle shape, and then after that, we can now move our cursor to draw a rectangle shape. Once we're done, we can also edit this rectangle shape. If you want to add a color, tap on this fill color and then simply select the color that you prefer. So as for me, I'm gonna select orange. And then if you want to add a border color, tap on this border color icon. And then in here, select a color. As for me, I'm gonna select red. And then if I want to change the border weight, I'll just have to tap on this border weight icon. And then in here, I'm just gonna select this one. And then once I'm done editing the rectangle shape, I'll just have to tap on the save and close option. And as you can see, that shape is automatically added here. And then in here, if I want to move the shape, all I need to do is to select the shape and then tap on this behind text option. And as you can see here, I can now move the rectangle shape. So that's how easy we can add rectangle shape in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.